Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. All nations' militaries rely heavily on armories to safeguard and store weaponry. Without them, soldiers and Marines would have to carry their weapons with them or keep them in less secure locations, creating potential chaos. Military armories began as secure facilities for storing weapons and ammunition, dating back to ancient civilizations. Over time, these structures evolved from simple, fortified warehouses into sophisticated complexes featuring maintenance workshops, advanced security systems, and climate control to protect military equipment and munitions. Military armory specialists, known as armorers, manage weapon accountability, security, and maintenance within these secure installations. Their duties include inventory management, weapon inspection, procedure enforcement, and regulatory compliance. They ensure weapons are always combat-ready while maintaining strict access controls. Armories provide secure storage for firearms, ammunition, and military equipment. They uphold accountability, offer maintenance support, restrict access, guarantee proper weapon condition, and enable rapid deployment during training or operational missions. When weapons are issued, troops sign them out using ID verification and documentation procedures. Each weapon's serial number is recorded. After training, soldiers clean their weapons, undergo inspection, and formally check them back in. Armorers verify each weapon's condition before securing it in its designated storage. A prime example is the 341st Security Support Squadron Armory at Malmstrom Air Force Base, which operates around the clock to support nuclear security missions. As Global Strike Command's largest 24-hour facility, it maintains weapons and equipment for security forces, guarding missile fields and key base assets. Armorers also repair and maintain weapons in dedicated armory workspaces to ensure they remain operational. Yellow tags identify firearms that require maintenance, repairs, or inspections before returning to duty. This visual system helps prevent temporarily inoperable weapons from being mistakenly issued. When troops check out weapons, the serial numbers are logged. If a soldier reports a malfunction, the weapon is immediately marked for inspection, noted in maintenance logs, and a replacement is issued. Armorers inspect all returned weapons, repairing or replacing any that are damaged. To ensure no round remains in the chamber, armorers issue weapons with the bolt pulled back and the safety engaged, making the chamber visible. Upon receipt, the airman or soldier inspects the chamber and confirms it is clear. Beyond safety, accurate record keeping is crucial in an armory. Personnel maintain detailed weapon stock records using serialized inventory cards and digital systems. Each weapon has a card tracking maintenance history, inspections, and assignments. Custodians regularly perform inventory, log all transactions, and ensure every serialized item is fully accountable. One recurring challenge has been storing weapons and their accessories without clutter. Older accessories were often stashed wherever space allowed, creating disorganization. Systems like Armories storage solutions were developed to optimize armory layouts and make storage more user-friendly. During guard mounts, the Armory coordinates with guard commanders to issue weapons according to duty requirements. Troops present proper identification, sign out their assigned weapons by serial number, and perform function checks. After shifts, weapons are returned, inspected, and logged back into inventory. Guard mounts also allow commanders to verify their troops' readiness. Another notable task in the U.S. military is recycling spent brass cartridges. Every Saturday, the 502nd Civil Engineer Squadron Recycling Center at Joint Base San Antonio-Lackland processes between 15,000 and 25,000 pounds of old brass casings. These range in caliber from 9mm to .50. The sorting process includes careful inspection to remove non-brass materials, such as metal links or any live rounds that may have mixed with spent casings. Once sorted, the brass is mutilated, crushed, or deformed to prevent reuse as ammunition components. Without recycling, these cartridges would end up in landfills, wasting valuable brass and potentially contaminating soil. Recycled brass generates revenue that is reinvested into the unit and recycling operations. Military brass casings are typically composed of 70% copper and 30% zinc, making them highly suitable for recycling. Given the military's extensive training requirements, millions of rounds are fired annually, making brass recycling both environmentally responsible and cost-effective. Military brass recycling uses both manual and automated methods for processing spent ammunition. All types of metals can be recycled. For brass, spent rounds are sorted and processed at facilities like JBSA and the Niagara Falls Air Reserve Station. The improved spent brass sorter SBS system handles 5,000 rounds per hour with only 2 to 3 personnel, replacing older techniques that required 15 to 20 workers. The SBS photographs rounds, noting caliber, condition, and whether they have been fired. It categorizes ammunition by sizeum 9mm, 5.56mm, 7.62mm, and removes damaged or inverted cartridges. This system increases safety by ensuring live rounds do not enter the deformer. After sorting, cartridges pass through a deformer that physically alters them, preventing reloading. Larger plants process 15,000 to 25,000 pounds of brass daily. Materials are weighed, documented, and sold for recycling, generating revenue for base operations. Some programs even earn roughly $40,000 annually from recycled materials. Missiles come in many types, each designed for specific tasks. These include intercontinental ballistic missiles, air-to-surface missiles, surface-to-surface missiles, surface-to-air missiles, anti-submarine warfare missiles, air-to-air missiles, and submarine-launched missiles. One of the most recognized types is the Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, or ICBM, among the most powerful weapons in existence. They can travel over 5,500 kilometers, reaching from one continent to another. ICBMs trace their origins to World War II with Germany's V-2 rocket. As technology advanced, especially during the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union developed these missiles to carry nuclear warheads across vast distances, deterring attacks with the threat of retaliation. Today, ICBMs remain central to national defense strategies, underpinning several countries' security. Since the early 1960s, the U.S. has operated underground missile silos for storing and launching ICBMs. A missile silo is essentially a vertical underground chamber capped by a massive concrete slab. So, what is it like inside one? Let's take a closer look. The United States maintains around 450 operational ICBMs in these underground facilities. Before launch, the crew conducts a pre-launch check to ensure the missile and its systems are fully functional. Personnel enter via elevator to inspect the missile body and access the launcher equipment room, checking guidance systems, propulsion, and safety mechanisms. Once cleared, the launch crew receives authorization to proceed. The launch begins with a countdown, and all personnel evacuate the immediate area. The ICBM is then launched from its underground silo, with the crew monitoring and adjusting its trajectory until it reaches its target. While each silo has a built-in launch control center, for ICBMs, like the Minuteman III, the control center is not located at the silo itself.
I see positive launch locations.
Instead, 2 officers operate from an underground control center linked to 10 silos, collectively called a flight.
4, 3, 2, 1, mark.
To defend against attacks, each silo in a flight is spaced 10 to 20 miles apart. Launch control crews operate 24/7, maintaining communication with the President and Secretary of Defense. Whether safeguarding rifles in base armories, recycling thousands of pounds of spent brass, or maintaining ICBMs deep underground, the mission is the same: accountability, readiness, and security. From the armorer issuing a single weapon to the missile crew monitoring a nuclear flight, each level of oversight supports a system built on discipline and trust. The facilities and professionals involved ensure America's most powerful tools are stored securely, maintained meticulously, and used only under lawful authority. That continuous vigilance, day and night, is what transforms weapons into responsible instruments of national defense. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.